You guys hear that? Every time I walk in this office, that thing rattles. Normally, rattles like that don't bother me, but for some reason, this one is. And it's not the lampshade. I've checked that. Back to work. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of the DAC Daily. Well, I got that lamp fixed. I don't think this chair is ever getting fixed. I've taken it apart, tried to oil it. I don't know what's going on with it. There's just a bad squeak in there. I gotta live with that. So, I got the gimbal motor here for the Spark that I crashed a few days ago there. If you haven't seen that episode, check it out. I'm 99% sure it was not my fault. Something happened and the drone just took off into the tree. We spent probably half an hour looking for it, finally found it, powered it up, and there was an issue with the gimbal. The camera was not going up or down, it was just kind of stuck. So I got this new gimbal motor here from eBay, and we're going to pop that in. We'll first take it apart and then put it in and see if that will fix it.
Rhythm, melody, and harmony.
Alright, so as you can see from that last shot there, the gimbal's still not working. It was kind of just going back and forth, almost like a turn signal there. That's not normal. So at this point, I think the Spark might be done. Sparko, he's had a good run. I've had him for almost 3 years, so I might start looking around and see what else I can find for a new drone. I know DJI just came out with the Mavic Air 2, which looks pretty good as a replacement for the Spark. So I'm going to take a look at that. My birthday's coming up pretty soon, so maybe I'll have Laura get that for me. So that's all I have for this episode, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.